So first of all, very warm welcome to all. Very good evening, and sorry, and really appreciate that you guys removed time to watch this show, the things which we are going to keep in front of you all. So this is the first, what I say, a party watch you can say, or live or go live thing is we are doing it for the first time, and we have a good speaker, a platform which I say there are people from HR, people from university, people from corporate industry. So our intention to bring all this professionals to bring on one platform is just to give you an experience where when we say like student, those who are going to complete their education, they do not know where they are going to land. So for that purpose we have created, let's begin it. So I will just quickly share like who all are going to join us as a speaker, and the audience have already joined. I can see people are coming and going. We will make sure like if you guys have any question you can put in front of us. Any of our speaker will get in touch with you and will answer your question as early as possible they can. So we have for now, for today, for the today show, we have four people, four speakers joining in, and believe me, all four having a pool of experience, pool of knowledge about their own sectors. They are SMEs, subject matter experts. We have first Shilpi. Definitely, I do not will take an advantage to be in front of you all. Better let speaker introduce about themselves to give their experience. So first speaker who is going to present in front of you is Shilpi De. Second, we have Aditi, CA Aditi Shah. Then we have Mr. Anil Sahu, and then we have Miss Neha Thapar. So let me introduce to give a very small intro about each one of them. Miss Shilpi De, Mr. Shilpi De is going to be present in front of you. A very good experience. She comes up. She is from Dalmia College. I'm just notifying you all. I'm not going to give you in-depth detail about each speaker. Only the thing which I will say, like Shilpi is from educational background. She is a motivational trainer. She is a educational trainer. She is a gardening. She will help you out understanding. So the first speaker is Shilpi. She comes from the college background. College background. When I say she is a professor. Second, we have CA Aditi. She is a banker as well as she is a coaching. She takes a coaching session for all CA candidates. And the third one, we have Mr. Anil Sahu. He is also come from the corporate background. He is having a good and pool of knowledge about risk, credit risk, whatever be happens there in the market. He will talk about it very in depth. And the last one, we have Miss Neha Thapar. She runs two organizations. She is in HR and she take care of human resource development team of IIM graduate as well. So I say welcome to all speakers, welcome to all audience, and thanks for watching us. Just because we have opted a platform like Facebook platform, because we wanted to keep this session in front of all of you, not to target one specific customer. So when I talk about Facebook, Facebook is something where all kind of all people from all different background we are able to see. Be it a parents, be it a student, be it teenagers, be the person who is working. So that is the reason we opted platform of Facebook, and Facebook doesn't have that option. That I do not know like it has an option or not, but we are sure about that. All four of us or all five of us are unable to come on one particular screen. So what is going to happen is like once I'm done with my call, I will end it, and immediately the next person, the next speaker will take an advantage, will join the call. You guys will get notification. Please do select two of that notification, and then you will be able to see a person, see speaker, and give an opportunity to people to talk about. And we will make sure like whatever the question you guys are putting in front of us, we are able to answer. If not, if any case we are unable to answer any of your question, we will make sure, we will give an assurity that we will get back to you, and we will make sure like your each and every question is answered from our side. So let's give an to other speaker to talk about. I will end here. I will give a platform to Mrs. Another Shilpi Dev, Mrs. Shilpi Dev. She is going to put her word in front of you. I will end and she will immediately join you all.
So, a very, very good evening. I am Professor Shilpi Day. I am into parent coaching, mentoring, counseling, giving guidance to students, understanding their choices, giving them career options, enlightening them with a lot of other segments that they can actually explore. Not just this, there is also a scope in discussing with students. There is a scope in discussing with parents where we understand what channel should a child exactly use. So here I am, Professor Shilpi Day, and I have got experience in mentoring, guiding children, not just children, even guiding parents. So the world is constantly changing, and we teachers, parents, and individuals, everybody has to change and stay upbeat with the changes that is coming in the market, changes that are coming in the era. So, apart from teaching, I'm also very highly interested with animal welfare, kitchen gardening, and I have also written some couple of books. I have been a writer, I have been an editor, and I'm basically carrying many profiles because I truly believe that if you put your heart into something that you are passionate about, you will definitely receive success. Now, how many over here are, students? Can I get a thumbs up? How many are students over here? Students or parents, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, I can see one particular. Okay. So, when we talk about career guidance, first of all, I want to start with congratulating all the students who have passed their 10th, their 12th, their TY successfully. Now, the question is, what next? Okay, so for those who have given their 10th, there is something called as a virtual admission procedure for them. I would like to first throw light upon the virtual admission procedure. As soon as the government declares the SSC result, they will be SSC or ICSE result. They will, hi Pankaj, good to see you. So as soon as the people start with their government declares the SSC results and says that now the admission procedure can be starting, all the students will be getting a link from the school, a full book with link and college codes. So when you will go to that link, you will understand that there are 5 steps of this procedure, which is an online college procedure. So when you are going online and when you are conducting this procedure, there are certain things you have to be careful about, like the name that you are filling, your Aadhaar card name, your PAN card name, everything should be in place. You have to be very proper. You cannot make a mistake, because a mistake that you make in the online form filling, the mistake which you will make in the online form filling, that will become a documentation mistake for you. So you have to be very careful with the details that you fill. You need to have a scan copy of your photo. You need to have a scan copy of your signature. You need to also have a scan copy of all your report cards. If you have got any other certificates or migration certificates, you can use all of that during the admission. Not just that, you will also be told to upload. This is a procedure for 10th and for students who have appeared 12th, who want to go to the degree college. After you complete these procedures, you will be told to fill a profile wherein your number, email address, your marks, your interest, your address, your contact number, everything will be taken. Third stage will be you selecting colleges. Now, that is the most important thing. How do you know which college to select? How do you know how to go about to the college? Now, you may say that I want to go to HR, I may want to go to KC, I may want to go to many other college, but you are living maybe in Andheri. So is it, you have to think from every point, like whether am I audible now, Pankaj? Am I audible now to everybody? Please comment down. Can I? Okay, so am I audible? Neha is saying that I can be heard. Okay. Okay, I will continue. Okay, can't be heard. Okay. So is there a device issue? No, I don't think so. Now am I audible? I hope I'm audible. Okay, okay. Thank you, Disha. Alright, so I was saying that the procedure after 10th and 12th is totally online. Now, when the time comes of college selection, now this is very important from 10th standard point of view. And thank you, Amar sir. Thank you, Asmita. Thank you, Disha. Thank you, Shelly. Okay. So this is very, very important from 10th and 12th standard point of view. Here you have to choose the college. Now a lot of times you might feel that I want to go to this college only, but you have to remember a couple of things. First is the distance of that college, and second is the opportunities that you will get in that college. Some colleges are very good in one particular field, that is academics, whereas some colleges are very good in sports, some are very popular for drama. So you have to identify first what is your interest, what is your area of interest, and based on that you have to do a research and get into your college. Second of all, why the distance is important. Distance is very important because if you choose a college in 11th standard which is very far, say for example I am staying in Andheri and I am choosing a college which is in Churchgate. So I have to remember that if I choose a college that far, even my 12th standard board exam center will come in that area, or maybe close by to that area. So my traveling time during exams will increase a lot, which I don't think so anybody wants to do. So it's very important you choose a college that is close by or at a minimum distance where you can easily reach even if you're running late for your exams. And second, whether that college is giving you the opportunity to choose your particular field or no. Now, a lot of children and parents don't know about the colleges. They don't know which college to go for, what is the name of the college, how does the college function. Obviously, because now you're coming from a school setup and you're going to the college. And that is why you have to stay connected with us at I Am Graduate so that you are able to understand how to go about in selecting a college, which college is good for what. We have an entire study of which colleges are good as per the caliber of the child, and we can provide you with a complete information on what college is good and how do we go about. So another very important thing is which course to select. A lot of children are always worried, should I go for arts or should I go for commerce or should I go for science. Some people feel 10th standard में science में अच्छे marks मिल गए तो I can also go for science. It's not like that. What you study in 10th is just 10% of what you will be studying in the college. So please make your choice very wisely. Only and only pursue that course that you are interested in. A lot of children want to go in for arts, go for it. You have a lot of options that you can do even from arts, and in fact the cutoff in arts is also quite a lot in today's competitive world. But knowing what you want to be, like for example you want to be a lawyer, So for you, both options are open, arts and commerce. If you want to be a doctor, then you're obviously only choosing for science. If you want to be a teacher, which subject you want to specialize in? What is your area of interest? Then based on that, suppose if you want to become a psychology teacher, so it goes without saying that you will have to go for arts. But if you will go for commerce and then say, no, I want to be a psychology teacher, that means somewhere you have made a flaw. So it is very, very important for us to understand what is our area of interest. And only based on that, you have to go ahead and take your admission. Now, many people will say, I have interest in 2 things, in 3 things. So please do a research. You have Google in your fingertips. Please research on every course. Like for example, you like to you want to become a lawyer. So just by saying saying that, okay, lawyer sounds good, it sounds so professional, don't go by that. Search about it. Search what are the career options. See, talk to some lawyers. Find out explore some areas where you will come to know what is there in law. Law is not just about going to the court, wearing that fancy, black coat and talking in front of everyone and winning a case. It's not that. There are many types of laws. There are many types of lawyers. So it's very, very important that you do an extensive research about everything that you are planning to do, about everything that you like. So then you will know, when I like something and I go in detail about it, what can I do in that? Then you will get a clarity. Okay, this is something which is there in this field, that is something which is there in the other field. Maybe I like the first field more, so I will go for that. So it's very, very important you do your own research so that you can ask questions. When you have discussion with elders, when you have discussion with teachers, when you have discussion with parents, you should also have your material. You can't say, I want to be a lawyer because I want to wear that black coat in the courtroom. No, you can't do that. You have to have a proper understanding. Or you can't say that, I want to be a teacher because I want to sign on that many notebooks. I want all the gifts on Teachers' Day. No. There is a lot of things involved. Go into the deeper prospects. Understand what your interest is about. Like for example, some time back I came across a student who said he wanted to do hotel management. So I told him, okay, why don't you just research what comes under hotel management? So he saw everything from cleaning to maintaining to coordinating. Every work is involved in hotel management. And later on you get a specialization. So he said, ma'am, I'm comfortable with few things, I'm not comfortable with another. So then we have to brainstorm that what are those things that he is comfortable with. And if he is comfortable with that, what is a career option in that? So then my student decided he wants to become a chef. So we have this kind of proper sessions, mindful sessions, which are very important. And that's how you choose your college. Even those who want to pursue their degree, even they have to select that. After 12th, you might feel, I'm cut for mass media, I'm cut for banking, or I'm cut for share markets. So you have to see a course that is fitting that. So for example, you are choosing mass media. So we have a course for that, which is called as BMM. Now it is renamed to BA MMC. Then if you want to do finance, so there is Bachelor's in Financial Market. Then if you want to do investment, so there is BIM, Bachelor's in Investment Management. So you have specialized. You will be very surprised that there is also a course on tourism, travel and tourism, which is called as BTM, Bachelor's in Travel Management. So there are a lot of career options that are open for you. You name your choice of career and there is a course available for that. So it's very, very important you first identify your interest. You talk to people about it, do your research, do your homework. Those children who want to pursue to go abroad, they also have to understand how they can take the whole thing ahead. What is the preparation required? What is the courses I need to be sure about when I go abroad? What is a requirement? What is a criteria? What should be the fund allocation for going abroad? So it's always cheaper to study in New Zealand in comparison to Canada. So who will give you the guidance for these things? How will you know about these things? First will be your own research, because nothing better than what you found out. And second will be on how you try to implement this research and talk to people and have an understanding. That's very important. Another very important thing is for students who are already in degree and they want to do their further courses. Trust me, any child after 10th requires a mentor. I will say that I also have a mentor who guides me time to time, and I think my mentor is watching me here. Sir, are you there? Please comment. I have a mentor who has been guiding me here from a very long time. He's Professor Amar Salve. He has guided me from time to time, and we all, require somebody to mentor us. And at IIM Graduate, we have this basic idea of providing mentorship to students. And it is very, very important that we, provide a proper channel to the student, so the student is directed to go towards the right direction. A lot of times, thank you, sir, thank you for your response. He has been my mentor, everybody here, he's been my mentor, and trust me, I know because of him what is the meaning of having a good mentor in your life. It's very important to have a person who will guide you selflessly, who will support you, who will take you to the right direction. So it is very important for us to know that we have a lot of scope when we are guided by the mentor, and that is the whole idea of Mr. Pankaj Srivastav. He has come up with this thing, IIM Graduate, because he wants to provide mentorship and to make sure that we have channeled way of working, we have channeled future, we have students who are growing ahead in their life with a vision. A vision is very, very, very important, and IIM Graduate will provide you just that. If there are any queries, write them down in the chat box, and definitely somebody from the team will definitely get back to you. Apart from that, I also want to throw light on the career choices. Sometimes some children know what they want to be right from their school, whereas some children don't know what they want to be even after their graduation. And if we look back to our generation, this is a question to all the parents. If we look back to our generation, maybe even when we were in school and maybe even when we were in college, we were confused. How many adults over here who were confused for their career when they were growing up? Please type yes. How many adults over here who were confused about their career when they were growing up, or who were not sure, or who really missed a proper mentoring? Maybe I wanted to do this, but I landed up doing this. So, okay, Kajal is saying yes, that she feels the need for a mentor. I think Pankaj, you should take care of this. Kajal has been my student, very, very active. She has been very active in terms of giving her inputs and everything. And I'm sure that with the support of IIM Graduate, Kajal can also, have a good channel to go ahead. A lot of times we have felt this feeling, we have felt it that, maybe I just wanted to do that, but I couldn't pursue it. I didn't have enough knowledge. I didn't have somebody to guide. I didn't have somebody to motivate me. I didn't have somebody to, give me the permission to do something. There were so many people who wanted to do, if you see even 10 years back, women's roles were only limited that a girl can either be a teacher, she can be a doctor. But today the girls are getting opportunity to become a pilot. Even CA, being a CA for a woman was not a common thing. But today it is getting more popularity. Why? Because everyone is getting support. Everyone is getting guidance. Everyone is getting that channel to go. So it is very important that, see, what you decide to do when, that is not important. But the fact that you do what you have decided, that is very important. The timing here is not important. You should be motivated, you should be inspired, and most of all, you should be updated that you want to do something. So it's very, very important for you to make a choice. You have to sit down with a paper and a pen, write down 5 things which are closest to your heart. So if I take a paper and a pen, maybe for me the closest thing is maybe to do something where I can talk. So maybe journalism, maybe teaching, maybe mentoring, maybe parenting coaching, maybe counseling. So these are the areas where I love to talk, where I can explore my interest of talking, where I can explore my interest of, communicating. So it becomes very easy for me, okay, if this is my interest and these are the options as per my interest, I can go for it. So I can then make a choice, either journalism or teaching or counseling or mentoring. And then from that, I selected teaching. So I'm happy with my profession. I'm having something known as a job satisfaction because I'm doing what I like. A lot of people I know, they have done, their studies in science, but they are working in the art fields or they are working in the creative fields. So again, you have to identify where you want to see yourself in the next 5 years. And if you have taken up a course, what is the best possible outcome for the course? Okay, Ayush is asking me a question. Ma'am, I have a question. Let us suppose a child has just finished his 10th class. So after that, there are so many questions that which course should I adopt? Every person says different things, that this one is better, this one is better. So tell me how to deal with this dilemma. Wonderful question, Ayush, and I really encourage all my viewers to please ask your queries, ask your doubts. So Ayush, first of all, tell me, what are you interested in? Ayush, can I take you on the video with me? Would you be comfortable? Or else you can even reply. First of all, see, everybody will tell you this is good, that is good, but you have to ask yourself what you want to do. Do you want to be a politician? Do you want to be an educator? Do you want to be a person who wants to come on screen? Do you want to be in the, in the democracy? Do you want to become a lawyer? Do you want to become a doctor? What is your interest? And based on that, just follow your passion. You will have to see, people are going to give in inputs, and that is for everything, not just with your career. They are going to give you inputs for everything. If you go for a holiday to say Bangkok, people will tell you, अच्छा London जाते तो अच्छा होता, अच्छा US जाते तो अच्छा होता. So people are always going to give you inputs, but you have to identify what you want to do. Depends on which subject you specialized. Ayush, you can connect with Pankaj after this live session, so we can give you a proper mentoring guide on, because we don't know whether you are from science background or your interest is in arts, commerce or science. So I think Pankaj can coordinate with you for that, and we will definitely give you a channel on how to go about. So Ayush, yes, if you are from science background, go for science. If you like to learn numbers and if you like to go for numbers and if you like to go for counting and accounting work, so then please go ahead with commerce. But if you like to study about human sciences like psychology, sociology, understanding the world, understanding the theories, then go for arts. And suppose if your interest is totally different, like hotel management or something like that, so that also options you have. We have a list of options given to us very rightly by universities all over India, and they have always made sure that students are given the benefit. So Ayush is writing again that he is agreeing with me and your network is an issue. So no problem, Ayush. I think Pankaj will definitely take care of this and he will connect with you. Now another very important thing is, okay, now I have explained you that you can choose your career. Okay, Jesslyn Fernandez is asking me, what website do I go to for colleges and choosing the subjects in a particular stream? Okay, here the website will be provided to you by your school or by your college. A booklet will be given to you with a website address and the college codes. So when you will be getting the third stage of virtual admission, you will have to choose the college with the college code. And the list, you will be given an option to give 10 college names. 10 college names, and from that government will select one college. Of course, then you can apply and say that you want to change your college or something like that. So that is also totally fine. But the website, Jaslyn, will be given to you by the school or the college that you are from, and they will be giving you a booklet with the college code. For now, just keep your signature and photograph and your mark sheet scanned copy ready. So it's very important that okay, hi Prachi ma'am. Okay, so this is actually a very important thing for you to remember, Jaslyn. Keep all your documents ready for now. The college will give you all the details. So I hope I've solved your query, Jaslyn. Can you just write it down in the comments if you are clear? Subjects and college list will be provided by the college, by your school or college itself. A booklet is going to be issued in the interest of the government. Yes, ma'am. Apart from that, okay, Disha is confused with 2 career options. Okay, Disha, can you give me your options that you have in your mind? In fact, this is a very good way. We are also understanding how students are confused, and it's common. Even we as adults are very, very confused with a lot of things. So it's important that we talk it out, we find solutions. So Disha, what are the confusions that you have with your career options? Understand which one you feel for by the heart and go for it. Always pursue a career. Always pursue a career which you want to go for with your wholehearted interest, because if you are interested in something, you will find a way for that. In fact, I have over here a very dynamic woman. Actually, she is also a very good professor, Prachi Chaturvedi ma'am. She is from a law background, but she has been teaching in so many fields and so many management fields, because I think so that she is very much keen in teaching, and she has pursued her interest in dual profile. So Prachi ma'am herself is a very, very good inspiration. So we all know that we have an interest in one thing and we work in another, but we should never ever let our passion die. So Disha, you are confused with graphic designing and teaching, and what if I tell you you can do both the things together? You can be a teacher who teaches graphic designing. It's so simple. We have so many studios that are coming up with specially teaching VFX to students, teaching graphic designing. Even in our BA MMC department, we have a subject that has come into motion graphics and multimedia. We have a subject where electronic communication has been introduced. So Disha, I think you are totally sorted over here. You can be a teacher who teaches graphic designing, and that way you will be very lucky, because you will be pursuing both your interests together. I hope you are satisfied, Disha. So it is very, very important for us to, combine our interest with our passion. It's very, very important. We have to combine our interest with our passion so that we can, actually make sure that we are enjoying what work we are doing. Don't only look कि I have only one option. वो block आपके mind से निकाल दो. You can pursue 2 things together. Amar sir over here will know very well that I am also a counselor along with being a mass media teacher. So I am also pursuing 2 things or 3 things at a time. So it's definitely not that you cannot do something or you have to sacrifice one to get another. Try to see what combinations you can create for a good career prospect. And in today's world, it is very important for us to have dual profiles. For us to know that if I'm not good with this, I'm also good at that. If I'm good at this, I'm even good at that. So it's very, very important for us to carry dual profiles, and you never know, when you get the opportunity to use your both skills into practice today. The time is such, we have to be very well equipped. Many people who know me here, they know that, I also do a lot of... okay, so Disha, for this, I think Pankaj will coordinate with you. and they will give you a entire feedback and guidance for everything. So don't worry, stay rest assured, you are a part of I Am Graduate family right now. So don't worry at all, we will connect with you, because here I have to talk to everybody, right Disha? So it's a very, very important for us to understand this thing. Another very important point I want to highlight over here is parents. See, parents, I know you want the best for your child, but you have to also understand that times are changing. The era has changed. And if we don't adjust with change, we become rotting at one place. Today, the times have changed, the interest of the children have changed. At our times, we had only 3 options: arts, commerce, and science. But in today's time, children have 15 to 20 options on what they can choose. Somebody might say that nahi, editing और वो सब करके क्या future है. Somebody might say कि why all this creative things, why you want to work in films, why you want to work in graphics, why you want to work in all these things. No, please be open to these changes. Please be open to these changes, so that you're making your child self-sufficient and prepared for the world. The kind of expectations you have for the child to become a doctor, engineer, or teacher, or in some other profession, that is going to make your child one step behind. If you want your child to be one step ahead, be accepting of the change. Be accepting of the new courses that the children have come up. I remember just 10 years back also, if somebody wanted to do something in tours and travels, so people used to comment saying, क्या करेगा, लोगों को घुमाने लेके जाएगा, ये करेगा, what is a career, what is a respect. Please come out of that mindset, parents. Respect is gained. It does not come to you, it does not come to you because of your profession. If you are a good person and you're doing good into your stream of study, in your stream of career, you will automatically gain respect. So give your children the option to explore. Give your children the option to grow, and you support in that. See, before, tiger parenting concept used to work. Tiger parenting concept means what? We used to not be able to talk much with our parents. We used to not be able to tell them everything, or we were prepared. चलो ये सब चीज़ के लिए permission मिलेगा ही नहीं. But today the children are different. We have to go ahead with them, be ahead with them. We don't have to pull them back. They know more about the careers. They know more about options. There is so much of creativity even in science fields. So there is a lot of options that we have. We have combined commerce and science. We even have engineering, accounting. But we don't know about this course, because in our mind we have kept a block कि नहीं, हमको यही करना है, हमारे बच्चे को भी यही करवाना है. The entire work is to be done by the student. The entire career has to be faced by the student, and it has to be purely the joy of the student in this thing. Even the same thing applies in college pressure. I studied from St. Xavier's. Even my children will study from St. Xavier's. नहीं, मेरी इच्छा है कि मेरा बच्चा मिठीबा या UPG में पढ़े. No, don't keep such goals. See what your child wants to pursue and whether that college is giving him that option or no. Some colleges give you some options, some colleges give you some other options. So you have to identify which college is giving you the option for your child and his interest. If you will not protect your child's interest, if you will not protect your child's dream, then trust me, the world is very bad outside. Even they will not protect your child's dream. You have to be a support. You have to be able to, you have to be able to understand the changing needs of the child. Okay, I have some questions. I will address them. Kajal is saying, hello ma'am. As you know, I'm interested in digital marketing. So उसमें एक मिनट में market change होता है. Creative level एक minute में change करना पड़ता है. So how to tackle it? Now, if you are interested in this, Kajal, you will not have to tackle it. It will come to you on its own. Research, watch a lot of case studies, and connect with I Am Graduate for more detailed mentoring. If you have really your interest in that, you will not feel that it is going to be a tackling issue. You are going to feel it's going to be a new learning for you. Even in my field, many people know over here that we have a lot of challenges that we face, but we constantly take it positively and learn from it. Okay, Huda Khan is writing, "Hi ma'am, I'm a student and completed my HSC with PCB as my subjects, but I did not enjoy studying these, okay? So I took a drop and now I have decided to go for human science subject, that is sociology, as it interests me. But I'm confused what scope will I have for masters after my bachelor's in sociology. Can you please help?" And because of this confusion, I also get confused whether I should go for bachelor's in sociology or not. So Huda, first of all, very hearty congratulations to you for realizing what you like and what you love to do. That itself is an achievement. Huda. And please pursue your BA in sociology, and you can get into teaching, you can get into foreign ministries, you can also get into the embassy. And again, for more detailed conversation on this, you connect with Pankaj and he will guide you further. Definitely we will take your queries ahead. But I'm very, very happy for Huda. I really want everyone to take, few seconds to press the thumbs up button for Huda, because she has selected and she has realized what is her real pursuit. Vandana Thapar, thank you so much. I'm glad you really loved the advice. But definitely you can go in for sociology, Huda. Everybody, please just put a thumbs up or a heart button for Huda, because she has realized her true potential. Definitely, I have my student here, Shishir, who is also very, very hardworking, and even he is a bachelor's in sociology. And he is in his final year, and you should actually see his the way he works hard in his lecture, because I am only mentoring him. The way he works hard for his lectures, the way he comes up with innovations. Shishir, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, now I'm getting like unlimited version of hearts and likes. I am more than delighted to have such wonderful people in this platform here. In fact, I was talking about my mentor, Mr. Amar Salve. He also has, given his expertise in this subject. So, sir, please write a comment on what is your opinion about the subject, because sir is also very much capable, and he can also guide a lot of people with his expertise. So, I'm very, very happy to see everybody over here. Huda, I'm really happy that you have taken this stand for yourself. There are so many people who feel it, but they don't have enough courage to take this stand. So, very, very proud of you, Huda. And definitely we have Shishir also over here, Shishir Bangera, who can guide you with this. All the sociology people, you got a lot of options with embassy. You got a lot of options with different scopes where you can grow and explore. Apart from that, there are some more new courses like coding and gaming. In fact, few colleges are coming up with a course on gaming. So if I tell you that your child wants to be a professional in gaming, as a parent, you might feel that how can it even be a serious job? How can it even be a well-paying job? Will this job give him respect? Will he be able to pay his loans with that job? The answer to all your questions is yes. Did we know that we will have webinars like that? Did we know that all of us are going to be so used to the Zoom application, Facebook Live? We didn't know. We can never predict the future, but always remember, anything with technology is promising. Anything with technology is promising. So even if your child wants to be a code developer, even if he wants to be a gamer, give him that choice. University is coming up with options to start courses on gaming, and I have another very nice colleague with me. I don't know whether he has joined in here or no, but he is the main creator of the gaming course in Mumbai University. So, Ayush is writing, thank you, ma'am, for this session. It helps us a lot to think and take a better decision for our better future. We all get a chance to learn so many things from this session. Thank you for it. Thank you so much, Ayush. You are taking all the sessions very, very positively, all the advisors over here very positively. So, I'm really happy to hear this. And see, that is the whole motto of conducting webinars on career guidance, so that you are aware about what is happening, you are aware about the changes in the world. It is very, very important for you, even for teachers, even for parents, even for parents who have children who are maybe in third or fourth standard also. Try to identify what skill the child wants to be good at, what skill the child wants to be very good at. Mr. Ramzan Sheikh, thank you for the compliment, but our dignitary Neha Kishore Thapar will be joining us in some time, and I am Professor Shilpi Sanjay Day. Yes, Mr. Ramzan Sheikh, I am Professor Shilpi Sanjay Day, and our dignitary Neha ma'am is going to join us very soon in another session. But it is definitely a very good thing that nowadays children are pretty aware. They are aware about the right career choices. They know what they want to do. At least they have that clarity. There is no influence in this. It has to be a matter of interest. A lot of people write a lot of people write things that a lot of people will write things saying that please tell my child to do this only. As a counselor, I come across many parents who will tell me that ma'am please कैसे भी करके इसको science के लिए convince करो, कैसे भी करके उसको arts के लिए convince करो. Please remember, don't convince your child for anything. Convince yourself for what the child wants to do. Always remember this thing. Convince yourself for what your child wants to do. Penal Dalal, you can connect with me afterwards. I think Pankaj will take care of that. And definitely you can connect with me. Nirmal Punwani, he is my college buddy. Thank you so much for joining in, Nirmal. And Amar sir has written, you are always a source of inspiration to all young girls. You are guide and motivator to so many people with your wisdom and kind heart, ma'am. Always keep doing your best. My best wishes are always with you. Thank you so much, sir. I know that you are always there for me. And definitely we all can put in our inputs in, such wonderful webinars which we conduct for the students. Ramzan Sheikh, sir, he is agreeing to all of us. So it is very, very important that we change our way of looking at the courses. Don't limit your child from doing anything. Don't limit if you are the child, don't limit yourself for doing anything. Remember one thing, today people will force you temporarily. But when you will not be enjoying the subject, when you will not be enjoying the course, nobody will share your burden. Nobody can share your burden. So it's very, very important that you understand what you want to do, have passion for it, and go for it. See, initially some parents, they may not be, in the favor, कि नहीं ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए. Explain them very nicely. Take them through a channel. Explain them how to go about. Let them see the benefits. Give them some time. You can't say, I want to do, so you all have to make me do that. No. It has to be a very good approach. You have to be able to tell them exactly what you are having in your mind. You have to be able to tell them exactly how you want to go about it. Give them time to understand. Here I have Mrs. Renu Manoj Kuruvilla. Hello, she has been my friend, I can say now, for a very, very long time. And she is a perfect example of how passion can, take you ahead in life. I want to give a little information about my friend Renu Kuruvilla over here. After being a homemaker for close to, I think, 15 to 20 years, she has pursued her career as a teacher again with a very reputed school in Juhu. I really want everybody to just give one thumbs up for Renu Kuruvilla here. She is an excellent example on how your passion can work for you, can do wonders for you at any period of time. In the initial part of the session, I had said there is no time for you to pursue your passion, and Renu Kuruvilla is just the right example for that. She got into teaching after 20 years of being a homemaker, and she is successfully learning the digital forms of teaching. Super proud of you. In fact, I feel it's my pleasure that you are attending my webinar here today. I'm really, really very obliged to have such a wonderful, inspirational lady here. Mr. Ramzan Sheikh is saying, nowadays kids should choose their own stream, because if we go with family choice, then trust me, बच्चों की जान निकल जाती है. That is very true, very true. Ramzan Sheikh, that is very true. This is also a very good point that he has highlighted. A long time back, it was possible to stick to what our parents decided for us. In today's time, you have to stick to what your child decides for themselves. And that is even good, right? Your child is independent, he is learning. You may convince your child for something, you may convince your child to take up something, but it should totally be his decision whether to go in for that or no. My student Shishir is also here in this live, and as I told you, he is also a very nice guy. He gives his input, works so hard in his sociology. I think Huda can connect with Shishir, to understand more, and how Shishir also contributes so positively in his learning and in his subjects. Ramzan is 24, but he agrees with me. So somewhere, Ramzan, you are showing the signs of a very updated 21st century person, which is actually a very good thing. We have a lot of people over here who are trying to change for their children, who are trying to get updated with their children, but they are constantly torn between their old thoughts and the current thoughts. Sometime back, I was attending one, session, and some parent had written, I was actually a speaker in another session. So one parent had written, what is the difference? In Hindi they had written, आज़ादी और छूट में क्या फ़र्क है? आज़ादी वो चीज़ है that the child will take responsibility for his actions, और छूट तब मिलती है जब बच्चों को आज़ादी चाहिए रहती है और फिर उन्हें मिलता नहीं है. So when you don't allow your child to be free, he's going to run and do anything and everything that comes his way. But if you give him enough freedom already, he takes responsibility for his actions. So it's very, very important for us to understand this concept very clearly, understand this concept in a very, very Huda, you want to connect with Shishir and with me, so that I think Pankaj will help you how to connect with me, and through me you can connect to Shishir. So that is the difference. If you already have an open mind for your child, you tell him that just one thing, you do whatever you want, I am there with you, I am supporting. तुम्हारा डैडी, तुम्हारा मम्मी तुम्हारे साथ है. If you can say this much also for your child, the child will never ever misuse his freedom. He will be able to understand, and he knows with the support of his parents, he will go ahead in life. So all you need to do is, just as a parent, you need to tell your child, do what you like, pursue your passion, your parents are with you. Simple. And maybe a lot of us who are parents now, we will, if we look back, maybe this was something which we wanted, but we didn't get. Because of course, that time the era was such, the awareness was an issue. But today, when times have changed, when there are so many career options, then why restrict your child to just 2 or 3 things? We have admission also, which is happening virtually. I just explained the procedure of virtual admission in the start of the seminar. But it is very important that you follow your heart. You follow what you want to do for your session. You follow how you want to go about for your career. You have to be responsible for how your future looks. And as early as you can, try to understand that. Ramzan is giving in some really good positive inputs. Exactly at the end, all it matters that kitna family ka support mila. बिकॉज सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता तो वो बच्चा या बच्ची कुछ नहीं कर सकता या सकती है. दैट इज सो ट्रू. A lot of us have given up on our careers because we didn't get support. So we don't want that our future also, suffers that. And for all these things, to bridge the gap between parents and students, we need a mentor who will play a very important role over here. And that is what I Am Graduate understands. I Am Graduate will give you the proper mentor, the channel between the students and the parents, so that all the children are given a right direction. They are told how to go about in a smooth way. So it's very important that every parent and every child should understand the importance of having a mentor in their life. Many parents feel that हमने तो अपने बच्चे को सब सिखाया है, he is ready for the world. You have taught your child what you have learned from your parents or from your experience. Is your experience updated? Can an outdated experience prepare your child for today's world? No, it can't. That is why you need a mentor who is in alignment with the era today. I Am Graduate is in alignment with that era. And therefore they can guide the students with the current situation. But we feel that no, we don't need a mentor की क्या ज़रूरत है. You have no idea. You may feel you are doing perfect in your life unless a mentor comes and tells you something. I have done so many things because my mentor has guided me. I have been able to take up so many things because I had somebody else apart from my family to understand my passion, my interest, my caliber, and accordingly they guided me. So it's very, very important that you understand the importance of a mentor. All parents, all students watching this webinar, please understand what is the role of a mentor. Understand how important it is for the mentor to be an active member in your life, to guide you, to give you a channel. Please don't force your children to do something because you think it is good. If your child comes up with something new, you research about it. You find out about it. Talk to people in that field. Connect with I Am Graduate. We will make you meet people from that field so that you also know what is the decision of your child. Have a discussion. Ramzan is also sharing in his mentor. To be honest, my mentor is my sister. She just said, भाई जो करना है कर, तू मैं तेरे साथ हूँ. Even though there was a time when my family didn't support me, but thanks to God, मेरी life में my sister became everything for me, and now here I'm at starting stage of success. To be honest, my mentor is my sister. She just said, bhai, okay, the same thing. So, Ramzan, very, very happy to know that you know the importance of a mentor. Now in this chat box, everyone please write down the name of your mentor who inspired you, who gave you a direction. For me, it is Amar Salve, who is right here with us in this live session. And I'm more than happy to talk about him because he has mentored me and been with me in my difficult times and has supported me emotionally and academically and even in my career. Everyone, please write down one comment on who is your mentor and what you are inspired from that person. Quickly, we'll just give 5 minutes to this. Pankaj is saying Mr. Irfan Kauchali. Okay. What inspired you, Pankaj, from Mr. Irfan? I'm sure all of us have a mentor here. Or maybe we will look for one if you don't have, so don't worry. But this activity is here to tell you that Amar sir, it's my pleasure. Miss Renu Kuruvilla, I am definitely, very, very thrilled with your comment. But definitely I think there are more people, who will guide you and all. More than a mentor, we are friends and we have been this. Okay, Pankaj is saying my status says the overall story. Wonderful, wonderful, Pankaj. Whatever we do today is a replica of being mentored by our mentor. That is so true, so true, so true. I'm very much thrilled with the interaction of the audience here. It's amazing to, get in touch. Ramzan, yes, we know your sister is your mentor. Her name is Angel Sheikh. And, okay, so this is Zana here, okay. She is also my student who is pursuing her sociology in TY. She's in the third year. Huda, you can definitely connect with Zana as well, Zana and Shishir. You can connect with them. And everybody, please write down one mentor and what has inspired you from that mentor. I'm here. I'm seeing a lot of likes and burst of love and likes. It's so nice to see this. Definitely, some people don't have a mentor yet. Akshar, hi. It's very, very important for us to have a mentor so that we can motivate our person, we can inspire our person, and the person can take the right decision from seeing us, watching us, or hearing us. It's very, very important that, a particular person is guided by somebody. And all parents and all children should have one mentor in between. It can be a family member or it can be a person from IIM graduate. It can be anybody. But just that, always follow your passion, always follow your interest, research about your interest, understand the good and the bad from your career choices. See, think and reflect whether this particular thing will be good for me. Can I learn over here? Is there growth in this scope? If you feel that there is no growth in this scope, don't go for that career. But if you feel that you can manage something, you can balance something out, so then go for it. Try to merge 2 or 3 interests of yours into one career. And I think I have taken a lot of time of my audiences today. Is there any questions that I can answer? Any questions that I can answer here? Ayush is saying that Pankaj Srivastav is the inspiration of our family. He is the elder brother of mine and always connected to him for good suggestions. Please share a big heart here for Pankaj. Pankaj, you have already been successful in mentoring, I'm sure. Even if you inspire one person in your lifetime, you have made all the difference. A big heart, everybody here, for Pankaj. Pankaj is also the brainchild for IIM graduate. I just had a chat with Pankaj and we, decided let us take this up ahead. So I definitely know that he is a very spontaneous guy and definitely very nice to, see this. Very nice, Ayush, for giving in your input. I have my student here also, Akshar, who just told me in the afternoon that, ma'am, there is so much to learn from a mentor. He keeps observing my statuses and through that he got inspired and he has completed 10 courses and certificates in this lockdown. Everybody, please share one like for Akshar. Akshar Jain is my student from TYBMM and he has achieved 10 certificates, including one Google certificate of digital marketing in this lockdown. Very proud of you, Akshar, and thank you for joining us today here. Please send one like for him, actually more than one like for him, for using his lockdown time so effectively. Wonderful. We are already being flooded with likes and loves over here. So anyway, my key takeaways of the webinar for today is please follow your passion. Second, research about your passion. Third, try to bridge the gap between the generations. Talk about it, don't fight about it. Parents, please understand what the child wants to do. Support him. Your one support can make the child very successful. The fourth key takeaway is be prepared for virtual admission procedure. The sixth key takeaway is your very important college selection. When what type of college we select, what will be the location, the activities in selecting the college. The seventh key takeaway over here is to make sure that we are able to figure out what exactly we want to do before we enter a college. The seventh key takeaway is your eighth key takeaway is your school will give you full book of college codes and the college government website. We will help you here for doing your online admissions. Pankaj will connect with you, definitely for this. And then we have the next key takeaway, that is to make sure that your mind is prepared before you have your transition from uniform to university. And the 10th thing is not a key takeaway, but it is a big thank you to everybody who have come in over here. With all due respect, I want to highlight about the main owner of I Am Graduate, that is Mrs. Usha Vijay Srivastav, who has come into the effort, who has put in her effort, who has come into the digital world, stepped in here to make sure that children have a proper guided path in their careers, so that the future of tomorrow is more customized, you can say, more created and more crafted in their respective fields. So I really want to thank Mrs. Usha Vijay Srivastav, who took that kind of effort, thought, and who has created and motivated Pankaj to take this ahead. For me, it is a big thank you to Pankaj, who got me into this platform and who helped me to, grow in this field, and who helped me to share my opinion with you all. So, with this, I am signing off. And now I would request our CA, Aditi Shah, to please join in. And the next speaker will come and they will introduce themselves. Please be equally active with the other speakers, ask in your queries, and clear all your doubts. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. I hope you all make a great career choice, and Pankaj will connect with all the queries. Thank you so much.
A very good evening to all of you, and thanks for being here. I'm Aditi. I am a chartered accountant by profession, and I'm obliged to present myself in front of so many of you at a time. Shilpi has given a wonderful, स्टार्ट से बिगनिंग तक उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया है कैसे एडमिशन प्रोसेस होता है, कैसे एक स्टूडेंट को अपना करियर चूज़ करना होता है और क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है, एंड राइट फ्रॉम दैट टू कन्विंसिंग योर पेरेंट्स, आप कैसे उनको कन्विंस करो अपना जो प्रोफेशन है उसके बारे में. एंड सी वन थिंग इज़ लाइक you yourself have to convince your parents about what you want to become, what advantages, what disadvantages are there. You have to make your parents understand about that, then you will get endless support from them. And trust me, I'm not kidding, okay? आप एक बार अपने से ट्राई करके तो देखिए. It's not about giving a fight, it's about just making them understand आप कैसे इस चीज़ को आगे लेके जा सकते हैं. ओके, सो आई विल स्टार्ट बाय गिविंग अ स्मॉल इंट्रो अबाउट माई सेल्फ. ओके, आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट विद द करियर चॉइसेस एंड हाउ what made me do this. See, एक बात है, when we take a career choice, we are influenced by the people around us. फैमिली हो गया, फ्रेंड्स हो गए, रिलेटिव्स हो गए. हाउ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन योर फैमिली योर डैड इज़ अ पुलिस ऑफिसर. ओके, एज अ चाइल्ड 1% आपके अंदर एक ऐसा ख्वाहिश रहेगा कि आप भी उस प्रोफेशन को फॉलो करो. आपके अंदर कहीं ना कहीं वो इच्छा रहेगी कि आप उसको देख के उनके उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस को अनुभव किया आपने. ठीक है, इनको ये एडवांटेजेस मिल रहे हैं, उनको ये एक्सपीरियंसेस है, लेट मी ऑल्सो गो इनटू दैट पाथवे. ठीक है, एक तो ये हो गया. आपकी फैमिली सबसे बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंसर होता है आपके करियर चॉइसेस के लिए. ठीक है, बट मैं अपना पर्सनल एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ. माय डैड इज़ एन अकाउंटेंट. ओके, and trust me, from the 6th to 7th standard, as far as I can remember, my relatives, my friends, my family, everyone thought चलो ये लड़की बनेगी ना तो सीए बनेगी, अपने पापा का नाम रोशन करेगी, सीए बनेगी. तो कहीं ना कहीं ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस है, इट वॉज देयर इन माई सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कि ओके, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम a CA. And then see, I was really good at mathematics also. Teachers used to love me, like I used to score full marks. So कहीं ना कहीं these things influenced me कि ओके चलो हमसे ये हो पाएगा, ओके करते ही ये. बट आई टेल यू, अगर एक्चुअली ये तो एक पार्ट है, यहाँ पे आपको अपने फैमिली से, रिलेटिव से एक इन्फ्लुएंस मिला. बट व्हाट इफ़ तभी तो ऐसा कोई पर्सन नहीं था जो आपको बता सके कि ये आपको ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है, ये आप इसमें और भी कुछ बेटर कर सकते हो, आपको सीए ही क्यों करना है, आप साइंस में ये कर सकते हो. सपोज़ मेरे फैमिली में मेरे डैड सपोज़ डॉक्टर होते हैं, तो मेरा कम्प्लीटली माइंडसेट अलग होता. सो इट्स ऑल ऑन what kind of possible things you are getting in the plate. आपको अगर MBA करना है, what line you choose. आपको अगर डॉक्टर बनना है, ठीक है, मैम ने बोला अभी बहुत सारी दूसरी चीज़ें भी है, वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट, गेमिंग, दिस दैट, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर. ओके, वाई पंकज इज लाफिंग, आई डोंट नो. ओके, ठीक है, वो रीज़न बाद में बता देना पंकज. सो द थिंग इज़, आई वॉज लैकिंग द काइंड ऑफ मेंटरशिप और गाइडेंस. जो मैंने देखा बस मैंने उसको फॉलो कर लिया, ऐसा हो गया. बट अभी मैं सोचती हूँ, इफ़ आई वुड हैव got this kind of platform at that time, maybe I wouldn't have become a CA, I would have become something else. Okay, but इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि I'm neglecting, I mean I'm not happy or something, but thing is like you have to ponder yourself what you want. You have to do a good research. पहले तो आपको ये चूज़ करना है कि आपको करना क्या है एग्जैक्टली. हाँ, आई अग्री, 10th के बाद एग्जैक्टली आपको कोई बोलेगा नहीं कि आपको ये चीज़ पसंद आएगी, ये चीज़ आपको. सपोज़ आपको अभी तो जिस लेवल पे आज के बच्चे हैं, दे आर सो एडवांस्ड, लाइक coding and all is like, even I see ads on Facebook and all, like your child can become a good coding expert while he is in school. I mean, मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि अगर ऐसा ऑप्शन मेरे पास होता तो मैं कोडिंग सीखती, मैं वेबसाइट डेवलपमेंट सीखती, मैं बहुत कुछ सीखती व्हेन आई वाज मतलब जब स्कूल चल रहा होता तभी. बट इट्स ऑल व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम. आपको एक लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करना है, आपको उसमें डीप रिसर्च करना है. और अच्छा, मैं अपना ही एक मैम ने तो बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स दिए, बट आई कैन स्पेशली स्पीक विथ रिलेटिंग टू CA प्रोफेशन. CA में यू हैव एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार आपने CA कर लिया तो आपको बस ऑडिट ही करना है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स यू कैन डू. यू कैन do international taxation. You can enter into a good company having mergers and acquisitions. You can open your own CA firm, or you can do a job in a big four or a CA firm, or you can even do CISA DISA if you are interested in doing CA also, plus you are inclined towards technology also. So CISA DISA will help you a lot in doing, जिसको हम IT ऑडिट भी बोलते हैं. ओके, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन कंसल्टेंसी वेयर यू कैन डू वैल्यूएशंस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने CA कर लिया तो आपको एक बैंक में ही काम करना है, या तो फिर आपको एक बिग फोर में ही काम करना है. यू हैव अ टन ऑफ चॉइसेस, ठीक है. एंड अभी मुझे भी खुद ये सब चीज़ें लेटली पता चल रही है, आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ सी ओनली आई एम कमिंग टू नो कि अच्छा ये ऑप्शंस है, काश मैंने ये चूज़ कर लिया होता, काश मैंने वो कर लिया होता. इट्स ऑल अपॉन दैट काश. ओके, सो see, choosing a right path, a right career is on you, and we are always there to guide you. Okay, आपको कभी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि यार कहीं पे हाथ छोड़ दिया बीच में से. आपको फुल सपोर्ट मिलेगा, स्टार्ट टू एंड मिलेगा. ठीक है. एक्सक्यूज़ मी. मैं काफ़ी खुश हूँ कि मैंने अपना CA कंप्लीट कर लिया है, बट आई टेल यू there are a lot of other people who are still struggling and they quit the race in between. And why does this happen? कोई बोलेगा कि नंबर ऑफ़ अटेम्प्ट्स मैडम बहुत ज़्यादा है, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. एक बार एक सब्जेक्ट में आपको मिनिमम मार्क्स नहीं मिले तो आप फेल हो जाते हो, आपका नंबर ऑफ़ अटेम्प्ट्स बढ़ जाता है, एज भी बढ़ जाती है ना, ऑल दैट. ठीक है, बट मैंने ये चीज़ की बिकॉज आई वॉज डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स माई स्टडीज़. और बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने ये क्विट कर दिया है, जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उनके पास शायद कोई सेकंड लाइन ऑफ ऑप्शन होगा, मुझे नहीं पता क्या है क्या नहीं है, बट मेरे पास तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था इसके बाद, बिकॉज आई वॉज सो बैडली स्टक इन इट. मैं ये छुपाने वाली बात नहीं है, मैंने अपना CA जो है वो 5th अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर किया है. मैंने ग्रुप वाइज एग्ज़ाम्स दिया है, 5th अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर कर दिया है. लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू इन दी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू इट इन दी सेकंड अटेम्प्ट. मैंने 5th अटेम्प्ट में कर दिया एंड देयर इज़ नथिंग टू हाइड अबाउट इट. ठीक है, बट गाइडेंस, mentorship, dedication, these are the 3 things, and there are a lot of other things, a lot of support which you can get from us, from your family. हम अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप कन्विंस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, मे बी इवन वी कैन हेल्प यू इन कन्विंसिंग योर पेरेंट्स. ओके, excuse me. See, I was able to sail through this difficult journey because things were smooth for me. But there are a lot of other people who have financial issues, who are facing some personal issues, and whatever the case may be. But अगर आप डेडिकेटेड हो तो कोई फाइनेंशियल इशू आपको पीछे नहीं रोक सकता है, आपको कोई भी पर्सनल इशू भी पीछे नहीं रोक सकता है. मेरे बहुत सारे, आई वुड लाइक टू गिव वन नाइस एग्जाम्पल. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है who has come from a village. He did not know how to speak English. ठीक है, और CA ऐसा चीज़ है जहाँ पे आपको CPT सब कुछ आपको इंग्लिश में ही करना है. ठीक है, हाँ, और जो इवन वर्नाक्युलर मीडियम से है, ऐसा आपको डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस में भी एग्ज़ाम लिखने मिलता है, बट दैट लैंग्वेज इटसेल्फ इज़ सो टफ. यहाँ की मराठी और विलेज की मराठी, इट्स लाइक वे डिफरेंट. मैंने सुना है, इट्स सो डिफरेंट. ही केम फ्रॉम अ विलेज. उसने पहले तो इंग्लिश सीखा, ठीक है, फिर उसने CPT दिया, एंड देन ही ऑल्सो क्लियर्ड विथ मी इन दी 5th अटेम्प्ट. बट आई एम लाइक, बॉस, योर डेडिकेशन टूवर्ड्स दिस इज़ लाइक कमेंडेबल. I think there's some issue with the volume. Can anyone tell me whether I'm audible or no? Pankaj, can you tell me whether I'm audible? Okay, I've got a thumbs up. ठीक है. So as a student you might not be aware of the difficulties that you face after the graduation in the actual job market. देखिए, आपके पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी ये सिचुएशन फेस कर रहे होंगे, बट दे माइट नॉट बी टेलिंग यू बिकॉज डेफिनेटली देयर इज़ अ parent child gap somewhere. You might not be that friendly to your parent, or your parents might not be that friendly to you. Whatever the situation is, depends from family to family. ठीक है, बट हम जो है आई एम ग्रेजुएट पे, वी आर नॉट ओनली ट्रेनर्स बट वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग इन कॉर्पोरेट्स. ठीक है, इसका ये मतलब है कि अगर हम अपने जो भी एक्सपीरियंसेस है वो आपसे शेयर कर सकते हैं, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हम फेस कर रहे हैं वो आपसे शेयर कर सकते हैं, और आप क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फ्यूचर में फेस करने वाले हो वो उसका भी हम एक आपको एक लिस्ट बना के दे सकते हैं, एंड विद द सॉल्यूशंस. सो इट प्रॉब्लम्स तो हर किसी को आने ही वाले हैं. योर प्रॉब्लम्स आर योर प्रॉब्लम्स, बट everyone needs a trainer or a guidance और a mentor जो आपको बता सके कि अच्छा ऐसी सिचुएशन में है तो हमको ये सल्यूशन आपको देना चाहिए. ठीक है, हर कोई ऐसा नहीं कर पाता है सर. या आपके पेरेंट्स आपको शायद फुल टाइम सपोर्ट ना दे पाए, मतलब वो खुद भी काफ़ी रिलक्टेंट होंगे ये सब चीज़ें शेयर करने में, या बट we at I am graduate will be able to adhere to all your queries. आपको जो भी requirements है we will be able to do it. Right. अच्छा, सो बहुत सारे लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे अरे क्लासेस की क्या ज़रूरत है, 11th 12th ही तो है, मतलब चलो खुद से कर लेते हैं. मतलब मैं अपना थॉट प्रोसेस बताती हूँ. इवन कि मैंने सीए किया है, बट मैंने भी 11th में क्लासेस किए, मैंने भी 12th में क्लासेस किए, एंड देन आई वॉज डूइंग फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस लर्निंग. आई वॉज डूइंग फ्रॉम मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी. ठीक है, इन दी फर्स्ट 2 years आई वॉज इन JM कॉलेज. तो द थिंग इज़ क्लासेस क्यों ज़रूरी है. देखिए, अब तक 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक वी आर सो यूज टू दीज क्लासेस एंड ऑल. ठीक है, क्यों? बिकॉज देयर इज़ अ डिसिप्लिन. एक डिसिप्लिन वाली बात होती है जब जो स्कूल की टीचर होती है आपको बिठा के समझाती है कि भाई ये पढ़ना है, इसका टेस्ट होने वाला है, आपको अपीयर करना है. एक डिसिप्लिन होता है, बट जो डिसिप्लिन कॉलेज लाइफ में आप देखोगे वो काफ़ी अलग होगा. नो वन विल कम एंड टेल यू कि आओ क्लास में बैठो, आपको ये टेस्ट होगा, आपका वो सबमिट करना बाकी है, आपको ये पढ़ाने वाली हूँ मैं आज. नथिंग. आपको जो कॉलेज में पढ़ाया जाएगा वो तो आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा ही, ठीक है, बट डिसिप्लिन जो है, आपको क्लास में बैठना है नहीं बैठना है, दैट इज़ ऑन यू. वो डिसिप्लिन आपको खुद बनाए रखना है. ठीक है, सी you have 2 things. Either you can be very attentive in your college or you can take some private tuitions. ठीक है, now being attentive in college is itself a very big task, क्योंकि आप जैसे ही 10th से बाहर आओगे आपको ऐसा नया वर्ल्ड दिखेगा. यूनिफॉर्म पहनना नहीं है, कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. मेरी मानिए, आप ये सब एक्सपीरियंसेस इन्जॉय कीजिए, बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ स्टडीज़ प्लीज़. मतलब व्हेन यू विल लुक बैक, आप शायद मेरे ऐसे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिन्होंने ग्रेजुएशन तक कंप्लीट नहीं किया है, मैं ऐसा सुनती हूँ, तो वो मतलब फैमिली बिजनेस में आगे बढ़ चुकी हैं एंड ऑल दैट. दे रिग्रेट वाई डिडंट दे कंप्लीट देयर ग्रेजुएशन. बहुत यूज़फुल है ऐसा. ये जो कंप्लीट करना है ये कोई टास्क समझ के मत कीजिए, या खुद के लिए कीजिए. ठीक है, ये आपको फ्यूचर में. हाँ, मैं और एक एग्जांपल देना चाहती हूँ. मैंने सीए मई 2017 में क्लियर किया. इट टुक मी 5 months टू गेट अ जॉब. ठीक है, 5th अटेम्प्ट था और 5 मंथ्स लगे मुझे जॉब मिलने में. You won't believe I was selected for one company, बट लास्ट स्टेज में जो HR स्टेज था उसमें मुझे ये कहा गया कि मैम आपने अपना जो TY किया है वो आपने मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी से किया है, आपने कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस से किया है, तो हम आपको नहीं ले सकते. तो दैट वाज सच अ व्हाट यू से absurd kind of response that I could ever receive. एक कैंडिडेट को आप इसीलिए रिजेक्ट कर रहे हो आफ्टर डूइंग CA दैट शी हैज़ डन हर ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी. दैट इज़ क्वाइट एब्सर्ड. मुझे पता नहीं एम आई राइट बाई शेयरिंग ऑल दिस एंड और नो, बट आई फील दिस गेव मी अ लेसन कि कॉलेज कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. इफ़ यू आर somehow not able to do your college, regular college, that's fine, but I had the option but मैंने नहीं किया. That's completely my mistake, or I am still regretting because that was a wonderful opportunity that I had lost at that time. So all these little things, whether अभी देखो 12th के बाद I was in SIS college. From in 14th and 15th I did from Mumbai University. Had I asked some professional, had I asked some person who knows about all these things, I would have definitely not quit my college. I would have somehow completed the college. ठीक है, you need a support every time. तभी मुझे नहीं मिला था, इसलिए मैंने ऐसी गलती कर दी. बट आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है, आप फुल यूटिलाइज़ कीजिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को. मैं हूँ, अदर शिल्पी मैम है, अनिल है, पंकज तो है ही, गॉडफादर तो है हमारे. ठीक है, आई थिंक लाइक what Pankaj is saying, all experiences which speakers are sharing, that could be a case study for any individual that can be taken care by us. Yes, actually ये बहुत सही कहा इन्होंने. ये बात मुझे अगर किसी ने वो टाइम पे बताई होती ना, बॉस तू अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ रेगुलरली चालू कर दे, तो आज मैं वो कंपनी में होती और ना कि ये कंपनी में. ठीक है, मतलब इट्स लाइक गेटिंग द राइट थिंग एट द राइट टाइम can make your life completely different. Or I think that's it from me. Like there are a lot of examples to share, lot of things to share, but अभी थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो जाएगा ये, और नेक्स्ट स्पीकर्स को भी आना है बोर्ड पे. मेरा कहने का क्रक्स ये है कि जितने मैंने एग्जाम्पल्स दिए, मैंने टोटली मुझे लगता है बड़े मिस्टेक्स जो किए हैं, एक तो वो कॉलेज छोड़ना, ठीक है, और दूसरी मिस्टेक नहीं, बट मैं रिग्रेट कभी रिग्रेट नहीं, देयर इज़ नो पिंच. जब मैं ये CA का करने का सोच रही थी, हैड आई गॉट अ मेंटर एट दैट टाइम कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, तो अभी मेरा लाइफ शायद कुछ और हो सकता था. बट now also my life is really wonderful. I'm happy with what I'm doing, but I'm just telling you that keep your options ready. ठीक है, आपको जैसे मैम ने बोला, आजकल डुअल प्रोफेशन इज़ लाइक सो कॉमन. आपको रखना ही पड़ेगा एक ऐसा कुछ बैकअप, क्योंकि आज के ज़माने में सपोज़ आपको कितने सारे जॉब क्विट्स हो रहे हैं, कितना सारा मतलब people are removed, even big companies, not even small companies, big companies are taking off people. इसका आप ये सीख ले सकते हो कि एक प्रोफेशन से नहीं तो दूसरे प्रोफेशन से आपको कुछ एक इनकम होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड वी कैन हेल्प यू मेक सच काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस which you depending upon your skill set and your level of interest, whatever it is. So that's all. गाइज आई थिंक मेरे को ज़्यादा तो मैं जो भी बोलूँगी ये सीए की रिवॉल्विंग ही बोलूँगी, बट शिल्पी मैम ने बहुत अच्छे से पूरा सब कवर किया है. आई थिंक शी इज़ नाउ आई फील लाइक शिल्पी मैम कुड हैव बीन अ मेंटर टू मी ऑल्सो. ठीक है, सो चलो गाइज, वील एंड दिस. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग देयर. बाय.
Hi guys, I am Neha Kishore Thapar, and to introduce myself, I am the founder of Jobster and Step Ahead HR, and to talk about today's session, I would briefly explain you how we are going to go about the HR profile and HR conduction of I am graduate. Okay. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Usha Srivastav to give me the opportunity to help me out in getting to reach out to Pankaj, where we could definitely get all the sortings of this session today. And basically, to be very frank, this was just planned 2 days back. So not to waste the time, I would definitely tell you about today. Okay, so Miss Shilpi, with Professor Shilpi, she concluded the lecture by saying all of how we are going to examine people, how we are going to do admissions, and CA Aditi, she told you about her experiences, and she told you about all the stuff which is going through their experiences. But today I'm here to tell you about my experiences and my philosophies, that how I started my career with HR and where I've placed people, and how I would be entering I am graduate, and we will be going ahead with this whole portfolio of placing people. Okay, so to start with, okay, HR has always been an important aspect in life. Okay, whereas where you conduct a right decision, where you need to be placed, and where all the concessions or all the people come together, you are screened well, and where you should be placed. I, as an HR professional holding experience of 7 years, we usually do ITs and non-IT sector. Okay, so to talk about a specific sector, for an example, if I talk about, first we would be screening a person. We will be screening the profile, the resume, the biodata, if you call it, for people to understand briefly. Okay, after that we will be checking what is the qualification of a candidate. Okay, if suppose you get admission through I am graduate, so perfectly you would be first going through all your admissions procedure. Okay, once you are mentored by Professor Shilpi, C. Aditi, and Anil, and our well-being Mrs. Usha Srivastav, then after that we will be giving a conclusion to you that where we will be placing you. Okay, depending upon your caliber, depending upon what all you need, depending upon the potentiality. See guys, potentiality, and it's very important. Okay, it's very important for you guys to understand what are your potentials. Okay, I, being in the HR department, I want you guys to understand what are your needs. Okay, we also understand what are the needs of a candidate. Okay, and what are the professional ways where we can place you. Okay, if to talk about, see, if for an organization, I will take an example of I am graduate. Okay, for I am graduate, I am the HR professional where I will be helping the success of I am graduate by placing people in a betterment and in a proper tangent. Okay, and secondly, if I talk about the career planning is very much important, guys, in this era, because for an example, as Ms. Shilpi and C. Aditi said, mentorship is very much important, guys. Mentor, I hope someone would be your mentor, as she told. For me, my mentor is my mom, because she's always supported me. She's always helped me out with all the possibilities where I need to glow up today. And some of my family members. So I salute to all of them today where I am today. Okay. And to conclude the topic, the next topic what we go on to, that would be career and planning. Okay, I would be talking about two aspects in career planning. That is, I would be telling you about career planning, basically how we'll be doing in I'm Graduate. Okay, first of all, once if you enroll with us, okay, that would be the 11th 12th standard, or you need a if you need a graduate program from us. Okay, graduate program for us. So we will be helping you out in the screening profile. Okay, we will screen your profile. Later on we will tell you what are the drawbacks. See, first of all, everybody is there to tell you your positives. Everybody is tell you like you are this, you are that. So nobody opts out your negativity. Okay, so we will be sharing both, what are your positives, what are your negatives. Okay, and after that calculating all the perspectives. Okay, we'll be placing you to a company. So a company could be according to your profile, a company could be according to your caliber, and a company could be according to your choice. So we will be giving you all the choices, okay, in the HR panel. So my team will be taking care under Jobster, who will be recruiting for I Am Graduate. Okay, and to be very frank in this, basically career, why we choose career planning. Okay, for an example, if today, okay, you are passed out after 12th, and if you don't know anything, like where you need to go, what you need to go, so we as I Am Graduate will be mentoring you, will be checking your profiles, and will be helping you out to get into a new era. Okay, and the second topic I would like to conclude, that would be if you go through career planning or HR, why HR is important in an organization. Why HR is important? Because it helps to the success of an organization. Okay, and basically supervision of an organization. Okay, plus it also helps for training and development. So we will be training you guys, we will be developing those skills which you lack on. Okay, we will be really helping you out in all the aspects. So the next topic, the next conclusion would will be like in this pandemic era, I really researched about it. We have lost more than 40 million jobs. Okay, to be very frank, 40 million jobs. I will be sharing the data and I'll be sharing the report with you guys. Okay, so what is the importance of a job to an employee, and how this pandemic has really helped you guys to come up. The HR recruitment team would help you in training and development, where you don't lose your hopes in getting a job. That will be done through your training and development and a proper guidance, where you cannot lose your hope and fall into a debt. See, in this era, everybody is facing a lot of issues through businesses or salary cut or whatsoever, and it is becoming very difficult for us, to run around the expenses. But we as I Am Graduate, we will be helping you out. We will be training you in such a way that you are so much valuable to a company. As an employee, you are so much valuable that you can really the company can retain you as a valued employee. Okay, and your skills are really important for where you can really reach up to heights. Okay, And I, being a part of I Am Graduate, I'm really proud today. Okay, thanks Mrs. Usha Srivastava for making this opportunity and giving me and my team. I'm sorry my team couldn't come up, and everybody couldn't speak up, so we will definitely do that. Okay, if you have any questions for me, and if you want to know how the HR works in I Am Graduate and how we'll be taking it further, I would request you all to please give me any comments, or you can come back with us by our WhatsApp number or with the email, and you can really come up and we can solve your queries of all the HR skills. Okay, thank you so much, and I would be handing over to Mr. Pankaj Srivastava. Okay, he would be taking care ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
My name is Anil Sau. I have done my MBA in finance from Mumbai University and currently associated with an investment bank from past many years. Apart from that, I have been a freelance tutor. I have counseled, I have mentored, and apart from that, I am currently associated with an NGO as well, who takes care of needy people in feeding them, in getting their day-to-day activities done. Whenever they need, they ask for our help. I've been even associated with another couple of NGOs where our main goal was to mentor them, to upscale their skills, to enhance their inbuilt skills which they struggle to identify in day-to-day activities. So there is a NGO named as Mentor Me India who works at PAN level, and when I talk about PAN level, it means overall India level. So our major role involves to provide one-to-one mentorship to those students in terms of not only improving their communication skills, not only improving their overall presentation skills, not only improving their education qualification, not only improving their overall skill set, but we even motivate them how to go ahead in their career in terms of choosing their right stream of education. Why I'm insisting that right stream of education? Because when we kick off our career, we are not sure what stream of education to choose. When I completed my 10th standard, from Somya College, I was bit confused or bit in ambiguity what to choose and what not to choose. So at that time I Googled, I researched, I spoke with many people, but then too I was a bit confused what to take. But whatever decision I have taken in my life, I am very happy with that. So this platform definitely will offer you a good opportunity to clear your doubt and not to be in confusion or in ambiguity when choosing a career. So when we speak about this platform, which is called as I Am Graduate, we offer many kind of mentorship program, and you can come across profound speakers like Shilpi De, Pankaj Srivastava, Neha Thapar. So we are even enligning to bring corporate speakers who can impart great knowledge to you guys. So I would like to emphasize mentorship more in this thing, because whenever we want to enhance our skill set, we always need a mentor. A mentor is the one who can take you or your skill set to the next level. There are many private tuitions or tutors out there, none of them provides you one-to-one mentorship. And here in I Am Graduate, the experienced people or the experienced professional will give you one-to-one mentorship along with taking care your basic education needs. Now when I am talking about education needs, includes your education needs with respect to your curriculum, but it also includes how you need to present yourself in front of others, how you need to speak in front of others, how you need to portray your skill set in the college, around your society, so that tomorrow someone would say, yes, this is my friend who has a great skill set, and he is the person whom I consider as my mentor. So we impart such kind of skill set where you gonna say others, yes, I Am Graduate is the platform where I have learned this skill set. They not only impart great knowledge in terms of curriculum activity, but they improve your skill set as they offer private mentorship. I would even like to emphasize few more points. When we speak on mentorship, we even promote leadership qualities and other activities. Shilpi, Neha Thapar and Aditi has already covered major of the aspects in terms of curriculum activity, how to go ahead, how to choose the right mentor through this platform. I would not like to repeat the same stuffs, but we will soon gonna roll out our different modules which will give you clear insights how you need to go ahead with with choosing the right career and with improving your skill set. I would like to take a pause, and I would like to end the session here. And if you have any more questions, or if you would like to know more about me, about our speakers, about this platform, you can connect with the team, and the team will help you out. Thank you.
So it was really nice to have each one of you to talk about your career, your experience, who we are, and what we are going to keep in front of the people. It is really nice. We started this session at around 6 o'clock. We already committed that we are going to live at 6, and I can say it's 8 o'clock, and I personally do not feel kind of bored because every single speaker, every valued keynote speaker said about what they have gone through in the market, what experience they have earned till now. So I am not going to give about what other speakers have talked about, because if I talk about the same, then maybe like my people will feel bored and they may uh, step out. But I just wanted to cover one thing, since this is the Facebook platform, so I do not want to be a very a kind of English with the language. I will cover in all the terms so that people should understand who we are and what is our background and what we are going to provide you guys in future, because for now we are not concentrating only student, since we are our speaker already talked about. Basically, as I told you, like our speakers have already covered a lot of things. Like we started with Miss Mrs. Shilpi. She talked about parenting guide, like how parents are very important for their child to take care of, like what we are going to do, and how should we. I mean, in if I compare like 80s or 90s with this 2020, there are a lot of changes you can see. You can see the changes between parents, you can see the changes between your kids, but what matters is the mutual understanding between both. Your parents should understand what is your requirement, and your kids should understand what is your parent is expecting from you. So since we are here in market for many years, like 9 to 10 years, we have spent 9 to 10 years here in market.